My name is Drew Kerly. I am the marketing director for RMT Overland. We are at Four-Wheeler Adventure Expo, OC Fairgrounds in Orange County, California, hanging out with Savage Camper Blog. So he stopped by and asked us to give a little promo about RMT Overland. We are actually a Ford, General Motors, and Ram approved special vehicles manufacturer. What that means is there's a lot of companies that are out here that are selling accessories for vehicles that you already own. There's a lot of hardcore overlanders out here and off-roaders, but let's say you're the guy that has just gotten interested in overlanding, don't have a lot of experience in putting upgrades on your vehicle yourself, but you're interested in taking you, your significant other, your kids out into the woods or into the desert, and getting both feet wet in the overlanding lifestyle. We provide a turnkey solution that you can buy right off of the dealership lot as a brand new vehicle with FMVSS certified components, full factory warranty, proprietary products, which we'll get into in just a second. You can finance the price of the package into your monthly payment. And if you ever run into a situation where you need to have the vehicle serviced, you take it right back to your local dealership, whether it's the original dealer you bought it from or a dealer in a town that you've moved to some point in the future. They get in contact with us. We take care of that service issue for you, so it's a hassle-free process. Owning one of these vehicles is literally going to be the adventure of a lifetime. So let's talk about some of the components that we've added to this truck. Just as a little shout out, you can check out a lot more detail about these vehicles at rmtoverland.com. We'll start with the suspension. So we've got a control arm upgrade with BDS coilovers and Fox 2.5 adjustable remote reservoirs for the shocks. So we took these trucks out to Johnson Valley back in the middle of January. We had representatives from Fox, BDS suspension. Who else did we have out there? Ford factory test drivers. Got in these vehicles. We adjusted the suspensions so that when you buy this off the lot, it is going to ride exactly the way that you need it to be able to drive it off the lot and take it onto the trail immediately. Right here, we'll just jump to these hood mount light brackets. This is an RMT proprietary design along with the roof rack. And I've already had several people ask me what is the significance of all of these slots that we've included. So the way that we designed this is to accept a universal bolt and nut system. It's key slotted so that you can change the position of your lighting or add additional accessories if you want. Down here, the front bumper. This is also RMT exclusive design. Private label manufactured exclusively for us. It includes the Baja Designs 20-inch light bar. It does not come standard with the winch, but it is an available upgrade if that's one that you want. We can move on around here. RMT Overland exclusive wheels. This is also our design, private label manufactured for us. You've got fender flare and rocker panel guards for protecting the side of the body from mud and debris. You've got rock sliders here. Now we've gone to market with the Yakima bed rack system, which accepts a lot of accessories that we actually include most of these with the vehicle. The Max Tracks, Roto Packs for gas and water on the other side. We are in the process of developing our own proprietary bed rack system, which will also incorporate many of these same features.
How come that runs the way it is?
The iKamper tent is an upgrade, but we did include it for display purposes. It is something that the dealers can buy as something to include on the package, and you buy it straight off the lot. The interior, we've upgraded just a couple of things. The RMT speedometer gauge cluster with the topographical lines and the logo. So, as you can see, a complete thought from wheels and tires all the way up to the roof rack and the tent system. And like I said in the very beginning, you buy it right off of the dealership lot, full financing, full warranty, FMVSS certification. It's ready to take off of the lot and onto the trail.
Very awesome.